Hello everyone, and welcome back to our business analytics series. I'm Gokul. I'm working as an assistant professor in the Department of Master of Business Administration in Sri Muthukumaran Institute of Technology. Today we will be covering part 4 of Unit 1, Foundation of Business Analytics. In this session, we move from the processes and applications into the essential vocabulary of the field. We will explore key terminologies in business analytics from AI and big data to dashboards and data visualizations. Understanding these terms is crucial whether you are discussing analytics in a meeting, reading industry reports, or preparing for a career in data driven roles. Let's dive into the language of analytics. In this part, we will systematically go through the important terminologies used in business analytics. Uh, we will group them logically and explain each with clear definition and real world examples. Think of this as your BA glossary sessions essential for fluency in this field. I have mentioned various terminologies. Let's see the each terminologies in each slides with the meaning and examples. First terminology is AI. It refers to systems or machines that mimic human intelligence to perform tasks and can improve themselves based on the information they collect. It's not just robots, it's algorithm that learn. Next, big data. This term refers to extremely large data set that cannot be processed using traditional methods. It's characterized by volume, velocity, and variety. And examples also are given in the slides. Next, business intelligence. It involves technologies and strategies used by enterprise for data analysis and business information management. It turns raw data into actionable insights. Next, behavioral analytics. This focuses on understanding how users behave, especially in digital environment, to predict future action and personalize experiences. Examples Instagram, Facebook, like that and all. Then balanced scorecard, a strategic planning tool that helps organization track performance against goals across financial, customers, internal process, and learning growth perspectives. Balance scorecards contains actions, objectives, mission, vision, strategies, KPI. Then contextual data. Data enriched with situational information like time, location, or user activity to give deeper meaning. Then data analytics. The broad process of inspecting, cleansing, transforming, and modeling data to discover useful information and support decision making. Then, descriptive analytics. The simplest form of analytics is answers. What has happened? Using historical data to identify trends and patterns. Examples website traffic, number of followers in the Instagrams, YouTube, and financial statement of the companies. Then, dashboard. It's a visual interface that presents key metrics and data points in one consolidated view, often real time for quick decision making. Then, data cleansing. The process of detecting and correcting inaccurate or incomplete data to ensure quality and consistency. This is the data pipeline where first we will collect the data and inject the data and prepare the data, computation the data, and last presentation, which means analyze. Why we are doing the data cleansing means in that while collecting the data, there will be more unwanted data or unavailable data, incomplete data. So we have to remove that. After we have removed that means it was easy to analyze. Time will be saved. So that's why I've shown there here also. Time spent in analyzing the data, time spent in cleaning the data. We have to spend more time for cleaning the data. Why? Because we can analyze easily in short time. That's the reason. Then data processing, ETL. ETL stands for extract, transform, load, a process used to collect data from various sources, clean it, and load it into a database or warehouse. Then data translation. It's a converting data from one format to another structured format. For example, a CSV file to a database table. Then data visualization, the graphical representation of data through chart, bar graph, maps to make insights accessible and understandable. Then database, an organized collection of structured data stored electronically and accessible for query and, and analysis. Then analysis. Gap analytics, analyzing data that has a geographic or location components used in logistic, real estate, and urban planning. Next, geospatial analytics, analyzing data that has a geographic or location component used in logistic, real estate, and urban planning. While gap analysis is a method of comparing current performance with desired performance to identify gaps and plan improvements. Then KPI. KPI stands for Key Performance Indicator. It's a measurable value that demonstrates how effectively a company is achieving key objectives, which means key business objectives. Next, metadata. Metadata means it's a data about data. It describes the content, quality, and context of a data set. Examples: photo, resolution, time taken, place, etc. Next, we will see the metrics. It's a quantitative measurement used to track and access the status of a specific process or an activity. Then, multipolar analytics. It's analyzing data from multiple sources, perspective, or stakeholders' viewpoint to gain a holistic understanding. Then, predictive analysis using historical data, statistical algorithm, and machine learning to predict future outcomes. Answers uh, what could happen. This is the predictive analysis. Then, prescriptive analysis. It goes beyond prediction to recommend actions. It suggests what should we do. Then, pivot table, a data summarization tool used in spreadsheets programs to sort, count, total, or average data stored in a table. Statis Next we will see about the statistical analysis. The science of collecting, exploring and presenting large amount of data to discover underlying patterns and trends. Then time series forecasting using historical time stamped data to make predictions about future values common in sales, weather, and stock market analysis. Then three V's of big data: variety, velocity, volume. Volume is a scale of data, velocity, speed of data generation and processing, variety, different types of data like structured data, unstructured data, semi structured data. And that's a wrap up of part 4 of Foundation of Business Analytics. We have walked through essential terminologies of BA. Mastering these terms will help you speak the language of analytics with confidence. If you found this video helpful means please like, share and subscribe for more structured lessons. Drop your questions or terms you had like to explain in the comments. I am here to help. Thank you for learning with me. See you in the next class. Thank you.